NBS, we have launched a graduate education program. This is a 12-month opportunity for Slovak or international graduates wishing to start a career in central banking. The program offers a unique combination of advanced training delivered by internationally recognized academics and hands-on experience because you will be working alongside our colleagues in NBS.
Central banks operate in an increasingly complex and challenging environment. To succeed, you need to be versatile and dynamic, and the graduate education program can help you to achieve this.
Life in a central bank can be more exciting than you would think. We work on a great variety of projects ranging from economic forecasting through, for example, research into financial stability, all the way to a broader economic policy analysis. If you join our graduate education program, you will work in international teams, you'll engage with top experts working in the area, and you will have an opportunity to see your work having real-life impact.
As a recent graduate, I know how difficult it can be to step into the professional world. That's why I say this program is a great opportunity. You can become part of an institution while continuing growth. If you're interested and thinking about applying, don't wait too long and take your first step toward your professional future.
Ahoy, my name is Juan and I'm coming from Barcelona. I joined the National Bank of Slovakia in my back 4 months ago and I'm enjoying very much Bratislava. I woke up early in the morning and I go jogging to one of the nice parks that we have around. I'm also able to go to very nice restaurants during my lunch break. And finally, at the end, in the evening, I can go also to have some nice bars, some nice drinks to relax after a hard day of work. So, of course, I also enjoy going back to my hometown, Barcelona, from one of the very nice and close airports that we have here in Bratislava and close by Vienna. I hope you like it and you join me here at Bratislava. Ahoy!